What was that?
What does it do if it loses length?
For what? Sorry?
If it loses length, like between
it's auto program to.
Do you have my white cable? That's crazy.
I'm slowly just acquiring all your things, so.
It just looks like a big bug.
I don't know probably what that bird is.
So right there. They say it didn't hear anything last time, so I'm gonna get closer. I'm literally on top of it, nobody's looking. Let me see if they're sending a little bit. Maybe calls your attention. Lower.
It's good stuff.
There won't be any great action stars.
Are they all looking at it now?
Yeah, now they're all
Yeah.
I'm here?
Yep.
Yeah, it's coming here right now. It's very small. Very small.
Drone? You wanna grab it?
I'm search in speak English in handphone.
Yeah. Really easy.
Yes. Really, sangat mudah. Sangat mudah.
And now it's flying. So now what I did is I took off the GPS and now I'm controlling it. That way we can get inside buildings. So whenever we're doing CQB, if you have GPS, you have to go slower because the system needs to understand what's around them. So for example, if enemy in there, I can go look without getting shot at.
Yes, yes.
So let's see what's inside that room.
Enemy.
One enemy right there.
People.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now we're gonna rotate. And let's go.
Yes, marriage. Good.
Good.
Kalau nggak dibuka.
Kalibrasi.
Yep. Yep. Right there. Yes, it's way faster.
Yes.
I would too.
But they can't see us.
Honestly, the Mew is not the only place that kind of works.
Cool. I want it. Yeah. Can I have it?
Wind and battery down here. So now we're seeing them down here, and it's really far, but I can still control it because this sends the signal to the aircraft. About but it depends on how high you are. So if you're at sea level, you can fly. So this is night camera. Night camera. This is no Wi-Fi. It gives you 5 minutes, but you want it full, so you can take 25 minutes. Yeah. Yes. Now the camera is a GPS. And we're going inside. We can see what's inside. But as you see, it's gonna hit the I can take photo. You can change battery, you can change the cameras, change the props, and change the bar. So if something breaks, you can replace it. Yeah, now calibrasi. And watch up. There it is. And now I'm going to show you how to take a picture. So let's go off a bit. 2 meters. This is how far it is from us, and the degrees of what it's looking. So right now it's at 292 degrees, and we are 116 degrees, and it is 2 meters. So if I launch it from here, but then I